ang exchange of rings. Nag-i-express si Rolando at si Jeva the promise of faithfulness. Magmatinud-anon to each other. Ang ring, simbolo sa eternity. Waray katapusan. It has no beginning, waray start, waray end. No beginning and no end. Simbolo of the serious intention. May others na serious intention. Diri iton, dua-dua, serious intention. And determination to be binded for as long as they live in holy marriage union for life. Ang ring, seamless. Seamless ang tawag sa ring. Become the symbol of their endless love of trust, respect, and faithfulness to each other. Okay? So, repeat after me, Brother Rolando and Jeva. Pangalan mo. With this ring, pledge my love to cherish you, to respect you, to comfort you, to seek your good, your well-being in sickness or in health, for richer or poorer, forsaking others, for as long as we both shall live. Okay. So, ito. Yan. Pagpasok mo, sabihin mo, I give you this ring. Sige, pasok mo. As a token,